This is the output of the microphone amplifier. As you can see, my vocal cord waveforms are in there. You can see it very clearly. And all it is just a LM386 with a gain of about 200. The microphone itself is a electret microphone. It has a gain of 47 dB. So those two work together, and then it goes into the other part of the circuit, which is then the waveform extraction. And now you can see, as I'm talking, the different words and what they show up as. They all have different waveforms, as we would expect. And all that's left now is just the envelope. And, of course, this won't do you any good without the software. And I have very special waveform encoding and identification routines that goes through first, and then it goes into the machine intelligence and is stored into the neural structures in the machine intelligence, in the memory. So this part of it is fairly straightforward, fairly simple, but you're not going to get there from this. This has to be there, of course, but this is not, quote-unquote, the secret technology. This is just a good circuit that does well in extracting the vocal cord information. The vocal cords are nothing but a carrier, and that's all they are. And that's why you can whisper, and the rush of air across coming out across your tongue and teeth and lips make your words just as easy to understand. Don't bother with that. I'll scan that in, and I'll scan in the diagrams to this circuitry here, and you'll be able to see it, and you won't have any trouble building it. So, but as far as the software itself, it's proprietary and will remain that way. If you have to have the KISS OS anyway to make it work, and the KISS OS requires the ERAM card, and so now you're right back to the same thing. You've got to have an ERAM card, and then you've got to have the KISS OS before you can ever get to the voice recognition stuff. So anyway, there it is.